Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to see only unread emails in Gmail. Friends, if you want to view only unread emails in Gmail so that you can take required action on it, then you simply need to open Gmail app. In your Gmail app, press on search in emails. Here you will find many options. You need to press on is unread. Now it will show only unread emails in your Gmail app. So friends, like this you can very easily see only unread emails in Gmail and take the required action. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.